Hi, my name is Aaron Volkman. I work for the CERT division in the Software Engineering Institute at Carnegie Mellon University here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The team that I'm working with is focused on DevOps research, including the software tools and technologies used in continuous integration, continuous delivery, and all the automation needed to enable IT organizations to build a software factory so that they can deliver business value to their customers in the best way possible. Back when we were just first getting started learning about all these automation tools and technologies, the first thing I learned how to do was to use Chef and Vagrant to provision virtual machines for our development environments on our own laptops. We could then use this same Chef code to provision additional development, QA, and production environments. The onboarding time for new developers dropped from an entire day of installing software to just a couple minutes. We then set up a continuous integration server. This meant that every time a developer would check in code to their source code repository, it would automatically be built, tested, and then deployed to our test and staging environments. Once we got wrapping up our development, we were ready for production, we used the same Chef code to create our production VMs for the customer from scratch. What was the result of all this? Well, since we had parity amongst all our environments, dev, test, and production, everything just worked the first time. Not to mention the time savings from automating all these things. We cut out a lot of the manual work, saving a lot of time, and so that we could focus on doing what we love, using creativity for development. The numerous tools used for automation can be confusing to beginners, so during this presentation I'll show an overview of this whole process, diving into each tool to show what they are, what they do, some code snippets so that the audience can get an understanding of this whole process from a bird's eye view. And hopefully I'll be able to get them as excited as we were about all this and point them in the right direction so that they can get started themselves. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in April.